file as a consequence of a lifting bridge and a little boat that has to pass through. We're on our way to Soest via Rotterdam because we're relocating again on this tour. We'll be based in Soest for the next 3 weeks. And I'm very depressed because today is the Currie Cup finals and I'm not going to be able to watch it. So. Bulls were 24-0 ahead. Now the Cheetahs. Bulls were lucky. Cheetahs work for it. They can do it. There never is any last words moment. For he who speaks last words must die. It's the old Shakespearean adage. He who speaks last words mustus dies. And I have no such intention, regardless of the fact that my team didn't win. We won the under-19, we won the under-20. We are feeding the nation its great players. And singers. Shall I stay here and stay your friend and your companion?